of December 2023. Welcome to another amazing episode of Technically Speaking. Of course, the crypto market is 24/7 and it's New Year's Eve. Do you celebrate Christmas, Bit Blonde?
Sorry, it depends. Not this year really, because I'm working a lot. But yeah, I celebrate, but I still work. I don't stop working
Yeah,
for.
yeah, yeah. No,
Not
of
this
course, of course. Okay, amazing. So this show is called Technically Speaking, which is a free weekly webinar every Sunday, 8 p.m. plus, hosted by BitBlonde and myself. This is a show where we break down the charts of the crypto markets, also some stocks. Sometimes we do gold and forex too, but mainly crypto stocks and macro. We talk about trading, investments. We actually share trades and investments that we have made or looking to make or have recently made. And yeah, it's every single Sunday, 8 p.m. till 9 p.m. So if you'd like to come to this show, all you got to do is go to Blockchain Sensei Instagram. We actually stream 3 times a week. So we stream Mondays, Fridays, and Sundays. Mondays is our legacy show every single Monday, 8 p.m. till 9:30, where we cover mainly fundamentals and macro research, including going through reports. Do check out our recent episode where it's where we broke down VanEx's top 15 crypto predictions for 2024. Fridays, we do a show called NFT Fridays, talking about everything non-fungible tokens, the metaverse, digital assets, etc. And Sundays is the non-financial advice big money show, which is our newest show of all. Click the link in our bio, and then it'll bring you to this link. That's where you can join this free Zoom webinar. We do also stream and replays on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. However, soon we'll be on Binance Live as well. We recommend you come inside the Zooms because we like to have some alpha that we don't share online on the replay, but we share on the Zoom sometimes. Also, join our free WhatsApp and our free Telegram group. And also, next year we'll be finally, after 3 years plus of giving out free information and not having a digital course, right? One of the reasons why we don't have digital courses is because we actually make money trading and investing, not through being a course provider, and also through business solutions. So, yeah, people have been asking us for years for an online course. We're finally going to have a subscription service where it's going to be a daily call. It's going to be mainly myself. However, there'll be other members of the team as well, and we'll basically, yeah, you can basically subscribe and then get in on a live call every single day or almost every single day, where I'll literally be showing you guys the behind the scenes of my actual trading account, which obviously I'm not willing to share on YouTube because I don't want to show numbers and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, terms and conditions: all content is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only, and it should not be considered as investment advice or recommendation to buy, sell, hold any assets or place any trades. Please do your own what, Bit Blonde?
Your own market research.
Yeah. All our content is intended and should only be used for informational use only. It's very important to do your own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. BitBlonde, Samsung, Henrietta, everyone in the Zoom, everyone on the YouTube, everyone locked in, anywhere. Any of you guys financial advisors?
No, I'm not.
No. Alternatively, research and verify all and any information you may find in our shows that you may wish to rely upon with you wish to make an investment decision or otherwise. All investments come with what?
Risks.
So please always do your own what?
Market research.
Yeah. Again, no one's a financial advisor here. We don't intend to be perceived or received as financial advisors, but we're working in collaboration with several accredited financial advisors and other financial professionals such as accountants, etc. If you're unable to mitigate your risk, let us know immediately so we can refer you to an accredited financial advisor. So, Bit Blonde, it's been a crazy week in
Been a crazy
crypto.
week, isn't it?
I hope you've been getting gains because I can't even
Yeah.
sleep. I was trading last night with Jay from 7 p.m. till 8 a.m. this morning. We spent 13 hours, not just trading, but like research, videos, you know what I mean? Like, guys, if you are interested in these markets, like if you are interested in investing and trading, one of the best uses, especially if you've got a 9 to 5. I don't have a job, but I know a lot of people, they like to go out on the weekend. Why don't you just make the sacrifice and stay in? Like the same hours you put in the club, why not? I wish I could tell you how much money I made last night. It was so much, but I'm not going to say it on YouTube, right? And it's because me and Jay, two minds. One of the best things you can do is have a friend that you can lock in with. Uh, Emily, we're gonna have to do more of the late ones because this is where we actually make money, right? Just lock in with your friends. Like it was me and Jay in person, but we had several friends like in and out of Zoom. You know what I mean? We got into some like early caps, we did some trades, we shared some future, shared some alpha, and it was a beautiful night. So yeah, markets are
I
crazy right
mean,
now.
I have to hang
Meme
out with
season
you
in
guys
Solana.
during this night
What?
because honestly, nobody's gonna sleep in crypto this Christmas. And if you are, you should be careful because you're missing out. You are. So the reason why I locked myself in my network recently is like, especially if you're not around people that really inspire you, you can definitely find these people online and hang out with them because you have to hang out with people that are in the same goals as you. So that's why I'm sticking to my people here because I want to make money and I don't want to get distracted. So be careful. Christmas, it's always ups and downs. I'm not saying you shouldn't celebrate or anything, don't take me wrong, but it's a lot to be made here. So you should definitely hang out with the right people if you want to make money. And here we go. Let's have a look on the charts.
Yep, yep, yep. Do you want to go first?
Do
Is that all
you want
right?
to go first this time? Because you haven't been doing much. Like, I mean, you do, but well, I can go first. So then,
Don't worry.
I think
I
you
got the
should
alpha
give
today.
you should give
I've got the
us.
free money alpha. I've got the free money alpha.
I'm going to
Don't
do
worry.
the classic Bitcoin and Ethereum first. I'm currently long in ETH since whatever here. And I think Ethereum, it kind of concerns me a little bit because it's taken a while to pump. It's taken a while to pump.
Yeah, you know what's really weird? Usually it's Bitcoin pumps, then Ethereum pumps, and then altcoins. But I feel like Bitcoin pumped, then Ethereum pumped a little bit, and altcoins have been going crazy.
Yeah, I mean, it's good and bad because Ethereum is taking so long to pump. So I'm definitely looking forward to 2,700, if so. So I'm just longing ETH at the moment.
Wait, by long, do you mean you're actually in a perpetual? Are you in a futures trade? Are you in a leverage futures
No
trade?
contract leverage.
Okay, but the contract charge charges you every hour it exists, though, right? Like
Yep.
as long as that contract runs,
Yeah.
you have to pay, right?
Yep.
So you're just gonna
Well,
hold that contract until
if you make
yeah.
profit, it's fine. But of course, if you haven't entered like very early, I'm not sure if that's a great idea. And also you have to manage your stop loss. So,
Right.
but I think Ethereum will really explode and everybody's gonna be shocked because Ethereum it is taking a long time to pump, guys. So when that happens, you can expect something crazy to happen to ETH. Hasn't done much compared to Bitcoin. So
And
Bitcoin,
Solana. Oh my God.
so I I can code this sort of a double bottom. So I'm not sure if I'm the only one to see it. I personally made a video on my YouTube channel saying that I was long in here and I'm still holding. But if we break this elephant bar, I would be a little bit concerned and I would take profit. But remember, I've entered another long position around here. So it's on my YouTube also. I'm looking forward to the next pump into 48,000 USD. So I don't think we're going to go low yet in Bitcoin. And let's see if this ETF is coming or not. They do manipulate a lot, this news all the time. But if you measure whatever, the previous pump to the upside somewhere, it's pretty much at 48,000. So I've entered a long position here as I saw the double bottom. But of course, be prepared for any scenario. And yeah, crypto bubbles. It's looking so beautiful today. Look at that. Altcoins are pumping, and this one actually lost some money on this bond trade a couple of days ago. But you
Or
know,
did you go long or did you go short?
I went short. But it's
Oh,
very,
okay.
very this coin, guys, if you're not willing to lose, don't even enter. Okay. This coin, it's absolutely volatile. So you need to have very strategic moves. But I still think that, it's a possibility of you could buy, because it's still down. But those altcoins, they move really, really heavy. So just be prepared for anything when you're trading altcoins. I don't really recommend that to people that don't have any experience. But the thing also is, when you get used to trade altcoins and you trade Bitcoin, it's so boring, right? But it's a good boring. I would say Bitcoin is a good boring trade. Altcoins are, of course, more risky, but it's a little bit more adrenaline when you trade altcoins, right, Ninja? So
Yeah, it's always way more. And remember, like, yeah, Bonk is a funny one because we didn't expect a new meme coin coming out. Um, but guys, always look whenever there is anything hyped. This is how I always make money in crypto, right? Especially markets like this. Whenever something else is hyped, look for where else the money's gonna go. Like I said in previous episodes, I never ever buy. I never buy the popular meme. Every time there's a new meme that comes out, I'll always buy the alternative meme because that's where the
Who's
if
behind you?
something's already done 18,000%. Sorry, go on.
Who's behind you?
Who's behind me? Nobody.
Yeah.
Nobody's behind me.
uh,
Okay.
that's the fun of us. You don't see these moves anywhere else on the market. But yeah, guys, back to the altcoins saying, they do move really crazy and you need to understand that. But I personally love trading altcoins.
I have a question. I have a question.
Sure.
You have a question? Go on.
Is Abu Khars
Pardon?
Okay, we're being raided.
is
Okay, we're have to well, we're removing this person. Okay, they're gone now.
I couldn't
Occasionally we get trolls. Occasionally we get trolls.
I couldn't even get the question. Anyways,
No. Sorry,
it
carry on.
happens. That means that people wants to be here. That's good. All right, so on a weekly, you know what to do. Look for the red bubbles, but make sure let me just look at one red bubble before I say anything else. Okay, Tau USDT. I don't even know what this coin is, honestly, but whatever. It's pretty down on a weekly, but it's still like, yeah, it's still like going down on a daily. So I wouldn't long yet. So like with these altcoins, you need to be very, very, very careful. Like it's a little bit on a downside on a daily, but on a weekly, it's probably on a good buying zone. No, it's not actually.
Nah, that's gonna come back down more.
Yeah,
That's
it's
gonna fall.
I
That's
would
gonna fall.
wait. I would wait really. So
You know, do you know
because here
what?
on
Let me
crypto
let me do,
bubble,
let me do one better. Let me do one better, guys. This one makes you a better trader as well. Is it's not always about waiting. It's not always about waiting for the dip. It's about setting buy orders. This is the key. Like I don't mind having a lot of my money in buy orders because it's free to set the buy order. It's free to cancel the buy order, and the buy order is what buys the asset if it crashes. I'm big. I'm big on orders.
yeah. Okay, so I was just gonna say, even when you come to the weekly on crypto bubbles, make sure to do kind of research before you buy, because as we see, tau USDT is red, so it's like good on a week, but when you go to the graph, it's not that great yet to enter a buy position. So you need to balance that. CoinMarketCap, let's see, whatever is down on a weekly is hard really these days. 4%, that's not much really. 90%, what is that? SOST, I don't even know what those coins are. Let's have a look on it. USDT. Yeah, like I wouldn't enter a long yet on this coin, but you know, it's a new listing apparently, so if you could wait a little bit, that would be great. But look on a weekly, it's literally like no direction really. So be careful, even when it's very down on a weekly on CoinMarketCap, you want to double check before entering any of it. Okay, kind of lost here. Wait. All right, so you know, that's it pretty much. Make sure to double check the altcoins before you buy, even on a weekly. But right now, if you haven't entered Bitcoin on Ethereum, I wouldn't really. So let's just wait.
Yeah, no. It is not the time to buy those assets. Ethereum, maybe if you're out with the drawdown. Bitcoin, no.
Yeah.
You're trying to find the massive list that I've got a list. I've got a DeFi list. One list of, oh my God, what the hell? What is going on? We are getting absolutely. I'm putting on my skates, cover up my eyes. I'm jumping in my ride, I'm heading out tonight. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo. I'm feeling like a star, you can't stop my shine. I'm flying cloud nine, my head's in the sky. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, solo. Now I'm feeling how I should. Never knew single could feel. Remove.
What is going on in our life?
All right, you know what? Okay, we need to change the setting. We need to change the setting. So basically, the setting is anyone can join this Zoom without me approving them. For God's sake.
Okay,
Don't worry, this has happened before. It's happened before.
Okay, guys. I'm sorry about
Sorry
that.
about that.
Crazy shit.
Oh no, it's Andrew Tate here, for fuck's sake. Oh no! Just get rid of it. Oh my God. Sorry about this, guys. How do you remove people, man? To get Andrew Tate out of here. Oh my God. Oh, we're being raided. One sec. I just need to know how to change the settings here. Or we can't continue with this live. Sorry about this, guys.
Well, I will have to edit this live for sure, like to go for my channel. But you know, people are crazy these days, honestly.
Right. One sec. Let me try and change these settings. Yeah, that can't happen again. That cannot happen again.
Crypto people, be careful.
Participants, 1 second more. Allow participants hybrid enable waiting room. Okay, we've enabled the waiting room. It's fine now, guys. There'll be no more Andrew Tate in this room.
Well,
Okay, right. Let me get this list. Let me get the list. One second. One second. One second. I'm gonna give you guys
Let me know if you
a
like
little.
now, Ninja, because
Huh?
would you like to share your screen?
I will. I will. One sec. One sec. One sec. I'm just obviously I just got distracted there and then. One second, guys. One second. I'm just gonna find this list. Find a. I got a few to share with you. I'm not gonna give you all of them, but this is basically free money. This is the closest thing in the entire world to free money. To free money. All right, let's go. Okay, so first of all, let me say this: 2024, in my opinion, I've been in crypto since 2015. 2024, in my opinion, will be the biggest airdrop will be the biggest year of free money, aka airdrops, in human history ever. When looking for an edge in investing and you're looking for exponential gains never comes by following the trend. You can make good profit from the trend. You can buy the dip from a trend and you can leverage up and you can make 80%, 160%. But the life-changing gains, as in like your 40x's, 50x's, your two-figure x's, yeah, usually come from making a move in somewhere that makes sense, where the market will inevitably pour money into later on. Okay, so the glitch in the matrix right now is airdrops, in my opinion. Getting on-chain activity, so getting used to using a decentralized exchange, right? I actually don't trade on a centralized exchange anymore. I haven't traded on a centralized exchange for about 4 weeks now. I've just been on chain, right? And and um and I'm gonna give you this list, but I just want to give you guys I'm gonna give you guys a list, but I'm gonna give you guys a mindset first of all, right? Airdrops can come in many forms. I you can buy an NFT and then you get free stuff from there. For example, like if you bought a Bored Ape, you got a mutant ape, you got a kennel, you got the dog one, and then you also got a free ape coin, right? But the way I'm going to show you guys in these potential airdrops is it's just basically going to be using decentralized exchanges and having on-chain activity, which then qualifies you for a potential airdrop. The airdrop game that I'm playing right now, this is the actual game, is that I'm finding decentralized exchanges, right? That don't have a token. That's the formula. Decentralized exchanges that don't have a token. And just use these exchanges. You don't have to do crazy trades. You can do $5 swaps. I'm making sure I have on-chain activity on as many decentralized exchanges as possible. I'm talking like 300, right? Even if it's a $5 swap, just to qualify maybe for an airdrop, right? Like I literally think that if you work extremely hard at this airdrop farming, this is not financial advice, you could potentially make six figures without spending any money. Like I'm making a very big claim here, right? I literally like my DeFi mentor, who I'm not going to name on here, he's made $23,000 in the past 5 months off free airdrops. So it's not profit. Is the definition of free money, right? I'm gonna be hammering down airdrops, and then when I get my airdrops, I'm finally gonna say I absolutely told you so. There is no excuse now to not be in crypto. Okay, so let me tell you some platforms that may have an airdrop. Usually, airdrops are not so public when it comes to the bigger ones. Okay, so number one airdrop, number one is Jupiter. Okay, so there is no 100% guarantee that Jupiter are doing an airdrop. Usually, when DEXs, decentralized exchanges, use airdrops, sorry, do airdrops, they don't tell you, but it is highly speculated and is not insinuated. That's the correct word. Suggested in the Solana community that these guys will be doing an airdrop. This is what you got to do. This is not my main computer browser, so I can't show you my Phantom wallet. But download a Solana friendly wallet. I recommend Phantom, Phantom. Yeah, it's also Ethereum friendly. But you get two separate. You get I think 2 or 3 separate addresses, including a Solana one. Anyway, Solana wallet. Yeah, drop in like not financial advice. A little bit of money, $5 to $10. Okay, and then do these actions to qualify for the airdrop. Drop some Solana, $5, $10 or whatever, buy something, bonk or whatever, right? That's one on-chain action. Second on-chain action, sell it back, right? Cool, you done a sell. You done that on swap. Then you go to the limit orders. I'm in love with this. For those that know me personally, I'm an absolute spot sniper. I mainly trade with large size, aka 4 figures of capital, 4 figures per trade on spot. Right? I'm not. I've only recently started trading with leverage, to be honest. But anyway, it's very easy to do a buy order, sell order. Right? Let me teach you guys right now how to do it. Okay, let's just do it on Solana. Right? So okay, let's do it on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so let me just predict that Solana, right? I am okay, I am 95% sure that Solana is going to go to $1.13. Okay, I'm 99.985% sure that it's going to go to 112, for example. So a buy order would be you put the price you want to buy at, and then you put the amount of dollars you want or whatever, and then if or when Solana goes to this price, it'll hit. Cool. That's a buy order. To be fair, if you don't know what a buy order or sell order is, then you just don't know how to trade, which is fine. Because you can learn. But yeah, everyone else I'm sure will understand how to do a buy order, sell order, and then do another sell order. So that's 4 actions: buy on spot, sell on spot, buy order, sell order. That's now 4 actions. DCA. Now this tool is dope. I love this. I've never actually seen this even on a centralized exchange. All you do is, let's say you want to allocate $100. Okay, you can invest every hour. You can invest $2 every hour. Oh, sorry, every hour over, I don't know, let's say like a day. Okay, every day over. No. For example, like every hour. No, every day over, I don't know, 7 days. Something like that. Play along with it, right? Cool. Do that. Bridge. Okay, so for those that aren't familiar on how to like, this is why I'm pushing trading on a centralized exchange. I have I'm so deep into decentralized exchange trading. There is no reason for me to go back to a centralized exchange unless like BitGet or Swissborg or Coinbase pay me money, right? Or want to do a sponsorship. There's like no reason for me to use a centralized exchange ever again in my whole life, because these dexes right now are so advanced. They basically feel like a centralized exchange. No KYC, just connect your wallet. Okay, so if you're gonna trade on a decentralized exchange, I recommend you pick like an alternative layer one, like Solana. I really love. I like Pulse Chain as well, and I've recently started trading on Near and Arbitrum. It's very easy. All you do is like you just get your USDC that's on Ethereum, obviously, or USDT or whatever, and you just bridge it onto the blockchain that you want. Obviously, this is Solana DEX, so you can only bridge onto Solana. Okay, and then finally, perps. Look, BitBlonde, you can do perps on a decentralized exchange. It's so amazing. So let's say, for example, I wanted to short Solana, which I'm probably going to do later today. Right, so let's say I short it to 109 or whatever. Me personally, I like to be in and out of perps. I like my perp to close within 1 day. If I'm in profit on my perpetual futures, I don't see any questions. Oh, oh my god. I left Dublin in the waiting room. Feel bad. Yo, Dublin, you alright? Can you hear me? Let me make sure everything's streaming on the YouTube. Let me show everything's streaming on the YouTube. I think it is. Make sure everything's working. Technically speaking. All right, okay, everything's working amazing. So yeah, let's say I do 20x leverage here. Oh, yeah, 20x leverage. Let's say I use collateral USDC. By the way, you can get paid in the asset that you're trading. So let's say I trade Solana as the collateral and using Solana as the perp, I can get paid the profit in Sol. So I've actually been printing is Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin without buying it. I'm printing Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum without buying it. Why? Because I'm using Solana as a trading capital, right? And because I'm good at TA, I've so far, thank God, for the past 2 weeks, I've not lost one perp trade. I've I've closed every single one, right? Anyway, yeah, so if you want to maximize your chance of getting the airdrop on Jupiter, which is not 100% guaranteed, it is speculated upon. There is a chance that Jupiter don't release a token at all, but the likelihood is they will. If you would like to maximize that opportunity, if it comes, which I can't promise you, then complete all actions, because what happens with these airdrops is typically the biggest airdrops don't tell you in advance, right? That's what you need to know. No, like no big airdrop is guaranteed. The biggest airdrops in history never told you they had an airdrop. It started off with Uniswap dropping 400 tokens in 2020, and those 400 tokens being worth $20,000 per person per wallet. Yeah, and this is another thing. Like you can do all of these actions on a wallet and then create a new wallet and do it again. So let's say Jupiter. Let's say, okay, I want to make you guys understand something about airdrops. Now I have this is complete speculation, right? But let's say Jupiter had like a 3-tier system. So let's say everyone who did at least $100 volume in the swap got maybe $500. And then number 2 would be everyone who did $100 swaps and then at least $100 limit order got $1,000. But then the people who did perps, bridged, use all the features and have $1,000 in volume, maybe they get $5,000 worth of Jupiter, right? And another thing is, this is why decentralized exchange trading is absolute king. And I say this from somebody who's traded on centralized exchanges for most of my life, and you only use the decentralized world to store my crypto, not for the trading part, because I always saw trading as a centralized activity. Is every time you trade on chain, you are literally stamping something online. Why does that matter? It matters because in the future, right? Like, I want to get into, I want to evolve beyond blockchain sensei and educating people. I want to be a multi-billion-dollar asset manager, right? I can show people my on-chain wallets. My receipts, my trading receipts are fucking public. I'm not going to publish them now, right? Because tax and all that kind of stuff. I don't want to deal with that right now. I don't want to deal with all of that right now, right? But my on-chain activity, like to the right person, I will show them my wallet. Like BitBlonde has seen my wallet. Do you know what I mean? Like she knows that I can trade. Like people who know that I can trade. Obviously, I'm on a YouTube right now, so I don't want to be one of them bait trader guys that show loads of money on
But don't
a
show
screen.
it.
But if you
Don't
know
show it because we all seen that on YouTube. Don't.
yeah. We've all no. We've all seen it. Because a lot of people are like, oh, why don't you post your results on your Instagram story? And it's just like, it opens a whole kind of worms, right? But anyway, so that's Jupiter. Please try out the platform. Like, if you've never traded in a decentralized exchange before, this is one that's very, 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 very popular. You do have to go through the learning curve of bridging USDC on Ethereum onto Solana, but I promise you, the second you put that USDC on Solana, it is so liquid you hardly like it. I forget I'm on a decentralized exchange when I'm on here. So that's airdrop 1, Jupiter. Let me give you another way to get an airdrop, and just another airdrop in particular. Another great place to get airdrops is Twitter, right? So, oh, man, what is it? 1 second. I just need to find the link.
Sorry,
1
just 1 minute.
second.
Ninja, I had to
Yeah.
turn off the video from somebody else because I see a lot of fun here today and I don't understand it. You know,
Wait,
people.
what?
No, like people turn the video on and they don't talk, they don't say anything, you're just playing around. I don't understand the fun. Just to be clear, this is nothing fun. We're talking about money here.
Yeah. No, of course. Some people like to ruin it. Okay, so this is just a random meme coin on Solana. It may be an absolute scam. I don't know. I don't know anything about this, right? I do not recommend that you do this where they say send SOL to this address, right? But let me look. They had I filled in their airdrop wave, right? Now, this project may be a complete rug or it may not work or whatever, but this is the point I'm making. Look out for this kind of shit on Twitter where it's just an NFT or a meme or whatever, and you just fill out a form. You just fill out a form and put your wallet address. It's not a big deal. Okay, it's no longer accepting responses, but and then get this through trading on chain for the past 4 weeks, I've actually got a handful of cryptocurrencies for free, like early stage, just because the bots found me on chain. Anyway, let's go over some more. There's another one. We covered this on NFT Fridays, but I'm just gonna quickly go over it here again. This is called Tensor Trade, right? Big Blonde, have you ever heard of this platform or not?
Not really. No.
All right, this platform is crazy. Yeah, look at this. It's like you can now trade the price of NFTs on a chart. How crazy is that?
Wow. I mean, it's so much going on in crypto. You can't sleep though. It's a lot of
You can't
things.
sleep.
It's a lot of platforms. There's a lot of things going on.
No, of course. But look, see, look, right? I can do a market. I can do like a buy order on here, right? Where I could, for example, let's say buy like two or three NFTs, and then actually put like a price that I want to buy them at. Like there's even a support and resistance. But anyway, it is highly speculated that Tensor will drop will drop a token. Why? Because it's the second biggest NFT marketplace, I believe, by volume. Last time I checked, don't hold me towards that. It might be third or fourth, but it's definitely a top 10 by trading volume Solana NFT marketplace. And it's highly speculated that they're going to drop a token. So that's the second one. And then what else we got? What else we got? We got Bozo. One second. Wait. Is it? What's this? Soldex. Bozo Soldex. Where is it? One sec. What's the Twitter? Also, one Solana NFT like meme project that I'm looking out for, because memes are all about narrative, right? Is Punk. It's basically like it's like Pepe Solana, basically. I'm not saying it's gonna go off, but yeah, I've been trading this and I'm profiting. But if I remember. Yeah, one thing I do like about this project is the tokenomics distribution is quite fair. So top holder only owns 3.4%. But anyway, there's a platform, what's like perpetual futures, where available on Bozo. Yeah, this is it. This is it. There's another kind of Solana Dex. Yes, bozoperps.com. Aha. I did some perps on here, right? So, in fact, these guys literally tell you they're doing an airdrop. They usually don't tell you. Okay, guys, this is the alpha. Follow these guys. I follow them on my personal one, but I'll follow them again on Blockchain Sensei. Turn on notifications and don't miss the Bozo airdrop. They are telling you they're doing airdrop. They're telling you, GM, airdrop wallet check will be live soon. Drop your Sol wallet. We're adding 250 wallets to the list for Christmas Eve. Go reply to that tweet. Santa is coming. What community should be getting? Rate the comments of your favorite Solana projects. An opportunity to share. Look, this is how crazy money is flowing in Solana right now. You could literally go to this post and it says rate the comments with your favorite Solana projects and read the comments and then go up and then obviously not invest immediately, but or just YOLO your money. But literally the comment section is the research. You know what I mean? And then what else we got? Also, I think that a place where a lot of money is going to go to is NFTs, specifically Solana NFTs, because Solana's basically outperformed Ethereum, because usually Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then altcoins. Solana outperformed Ethereum. There's hella money in Solana right now. On-chain activity on Solana, dev-wise, has recently passed Ethereum. I'm sure that's temporary. But the next big money is going to come in Solana NFTs, and there's going to be hella airdrops. So I put you on 3 airdrops: Jupiter, hypothetical, likely, and then told you the 10 actions to get on it. Tenza, watch NFT Fridays to go a bit deeper. That's the Friday episode that we did 2 days ago. Bozo are actually doing an airdrop because they say they're doing an airdrop. Oh, and I told you about Cavron Sol as well. This is a meme. It might be a scam. I'm not sure. But you still could get your free money, right? I'm not advocating anyone to buy any of these collections. I'm literally just telling you about where you can potentially get some airdrops. And then this is extremely Solana heavy. Because I've just been on the Solana ecosystem. Okay, so then we've got Drift. So this is this is like my new dream right now because it's basically on-chain perpetual futures. So betting on the prices of crypto and earning crypto without spending any money on crypto. Obviously, you lose your collateral if you lose the trades. So it's highly speculated that Drift will have their own airdrop. So we've got Jupiter, Solana Dex. We've got Tenza, a Solana DEX that specializes in price action for NFTs. And we have Drift. These are 3 Solana DEXs that have a high probability of doing airdrops. Not only do you have the opportunity to potentially earn thousands of dollars for free by using these platforms for free, you could potentially make 6 figures if you give up some of your life and create multiple wallets and give up your Saturday nights and perp on Saturday and Sundays instead of wasting your time in the club, right? This is the biggest free money glitch in
That's
the entire
tricky.
world. In literally, oh my god! Right. So, what else? Let me give 2 more. Let me give 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. So we've got Ambient, the Ambient Dex. I've not actually been on this Dex. It's just on a list. Let me just go on it real quick. I literally have a list of dexes that I want to go on. Okay, what's this? Trade now, trade. It's on Ethereum. It's on Ethereum. Damn. Okay. See, a lot of the times, like you literally want to go. I'm telling you guys, the airdrop strategy of 2000. In fact, let me do one more, and then I'll just come on camp because that feels really important. All right, check out Ambient. I've never been there before. Just to literally do the swap. And then we've got another. I want to give something out. Give out something that's oh, Zeta. That's it. Yeah. I've used this. Zeta. This is another Solana Dex. Okay, Zeta Markets. Yeah, I mean, like I'm not gonna say any of these dexes are particularly special. They're all pretty much very similar. A lot of them use the same aggregator as well. So they'll actually purchase their coins from Radium, which is basically the Uniswap of Solana, or Orca, which is another big Solana DEX. And then a lot of these platforms are literally front facing, like basically white labeled software. So a lot of the back end is literally the same. Another thing I want to talk about is I just want to show you guys 3 very good websites. Okay, especially if you want to get on DEX trading. When you get into DEX trading, there's 3 websites that are more important than TradingView. Okay, so the first one is dextools.io. All these 3 websites are relatively similar, but they do have their own perks. So I'm gonna quickly just go over the difference between them and what to look out for your decentralized trading. Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna find a contract address. Okay, let me find the Bonk contract address. Contract Solana. All right, fantastic. Okay, cool. So you can go to here all chains and then click one chain if you're gonna focus on one chain. I usually focus on Solana because that's where I've been making the most money. Okay, so DEX tools gives you information such as the DEX score. This is something to consider, right? Basically, a score saying that this token is at least safe in terms of security, right? And so this is one of the main data sets that you can get from DEX tools. I would look at the same cryptocurrency on DEX tools and the other two sites which I'm about to give you, which are DEX Screener and Bird's Eye. Okay. One great thing about DEX tools and the other websites is you can literally look at the trade history. You can see live in live time who's trading bonk. I can see in live time who is trading bonk, and I can just click on this person's wallet, and I can literally just look inside their wallet. That's why crypto is amazing, because you're trading against institutions, but you're also trading against people, and a lot of the times it's much smaller whales. Okay, I'm gonna not wait for that to load. But yeah, that's DEX Tools. Watch out for the DEX Screener score, and DEX Tools is very, very good with regards to the external links. Usually the website, the Twitter, etc., are pretty clear. Then the next one I like is DEX Screener. Okay, so the number one thing that I like about DEX Screener is they have a multi-chart feature where you can view 16 charts. Now, this is not my main browser, so I can't show you guys my watch list. But what I'll usually have is I'll usually have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana on 3, and then everything else. Like, look. Let me just add some random charts. What's that? Let me just show you how this works. Add chart. Okay, bonk, whatever. Bonk, boom. Add another chart. Sol. Boom. Add another chart. Ponk. Boom. If you've got a big screen, BitBlonde, have you ever been on multi-chart before? You can just see loads of charts at the same time.
Actually, I want to get an extra screen for it.
Ah, okay. Yeah, come on. You gotta be on that 2-3 screen life.
I do
I
have
now
an
have
iPad, but I wanted to have an extra actual screen.
Yeah. So let me tell you what I really like about Deck Screener, right? This is what I love about Deck Screener. Deck Screener, right? It doesn't have like a score like Dex Tools. This is why if you're gonna decentralize trade, go on the same asset on Dex Tools and Dex Screener and Bird's Eye, which I'm gonna wrap up with. Look at this. I can literally see the top traders on Bonk. I can literally go inside their wallet
Hey, you convinced
and I
me.
can see.
That's really good.
Yeah, because I can look. This whale has $117,000 in their wallet, right? And they've got 3,200 a bonk. So I can just go to their portfolio and I can see what are the meme coins they're in. And yes, this is a way that I make money from memes. I have no problem trading memes when it's meme season because often when it's meme season, the best gains are in the memes, right? You just have to make sure you cash out and then buy proper assets. Okay, so that's why Dex Screener is good. Dex Screener and Dex Tools are similar, but they do differ slightly. And the reason why I like Dex Tools over Dex Screener, one of them is because it has a score, but I prefer Dex Screener for actually watching the trade. And look, I can even see every live trade. You see with Dex Screener, yeah, the live trades, it there's like it doesn't come with this emoji, and this emoji is so important because the fin, that means it's a whale. That means somebody's traded more than $10,000 of this coin. Okay, if it's a dolphin, that means this person's traded 1 to 10,000. Okay, if it's a shrimp, that means they've traded I think it's 100 to $1,000. Okay, and then the little fish here, that means they've traded I think like under 200. But I'm mainly looking out for the dolphins and the whales. Okay, I'm mainly looking after the dolphins and the whales. And then finally, the last website that I want to show you guys, this changed my life, is Bird's Eye. Bird's Eye. Bird's Eye. Okay, so Bird's Eye is a very good website. Bird's Eye Crypto. Because you can connect to this site and you can actually trade directly from the site. And you can do buy orders and sell orders as well. Oh my God. Yeah. I'm so happy. I got the call on this. Like literally last night, I got the call that this cross between Punk and what is it supposed to be, like a monkey Punk? I don't know. But oh my God, yes. I got in at this time. See, this is why it pays to stay up on Saturday night and not go out. Yeah, one of my
Totally agree
connects
with
got me and
you.
Joe.
I think
Yeah,
majority of people are literally wasting their time, but whatever, you know.
no, of course. Oh my God, I did like 3x from this morning. Yes, I should cash out. I should sell some. Okay, so let me go back to the Zoom. That was a lot of alpha. Stop. Oh, wait. Let's take any questions. Take any questions. Live. All right, BitBlonde, how you doing? Have I convinced you to get on the DEX trading?
Yeah, I mean, even if you don't trade, it's nice just to look around and see what is happening, really. So I'm going to combine that with my traditional platform. But obviously, if you're not sponsored or if you don't have any referral or anything, there's no point really to use centralized exchanges.
Yeah. That's the one thing about decentralized exchanges. Most of them don't have a referral. They don't usually have a referral scheme, and I like my referral schemes because I made a lot of money in 2021 just referring people on Swissborg, and Binance, they've got quite a good referral scheme where if you refer someone, you can make a percentage off their trading volume. But obviously now nobody trades on Binance anymore because we don't trust it.
Yeah, I mean, I got a couple of partnerships with exchanges, and I actually like one of them to trade. So it's really up to you what you're familiar with. But even if you don't trade on DEX, it's definitely worth it to track, at least to watch what's going on and trade.
100%. Dublin, have you got any questions, mate? Thank you for being here on Christmas Eve.
Today
We
was
like
a little
your
bit
commitment.
intense live. But I think we're going to be up all Christmas making money. I'm literally living the best time also. I don't want to stop. Like people are disturbed because I'm so focused. People are like, oh my God, no, I'm not leaving the room. Because I'm making
No, don't want
notes
to.
here. Do you feel that? People
No.
are, irritated when you go focused on yourself. Anyways.
Yeah, well, I feel like you then start cutting off the people who are not focused, and you start attracting the people that are focused. So if anyone is focused and unfocused people around you, and and it affects you, don't let it affect you. Just let them be unfocused. You keep being focused. Then eventually, their focus moves away from you. Your focus moves away from them, and then you start attracting the focused people. So, yeah.
Well, with that said, I think we're pretty done with the live for today. Mindset
Yes.
and everything else on trading. If you haven't seen, guys, just repeat the live, take notes, and Merry Christmas.
Yes. All right, cool guys. Take care. I'm BitBlonde. Let's